Introducing AVR Maestro, audiophile-grade sound control for your Denon and Marantz receiver, right from your phone. If you've ever wrestled with the on-screen display menu to tweak surround modes, calibrate Audyssey, or dial in channel levels, this is the app that makes all of that effortless. Let's dive into the sound engine. The Surround tab is your command center for audio processing. At the top, a Cinema 30 badge identifies your receiver model. Below that, the current mode readout shows exactly what's active. In this case, Dolby Audio-DSUR, which is Dolby's up mixer for surround content. 3 category tabs let you filter by movie, music, or game modes. Below those, 6 mode buttons give you one-tap access to stereo, Dolby Surround, DTS Neural X, Auro 3D, Auro Surround, and multi-channel stereo. The currently active mode, Dolby Surround, is highlighted in orange so you always know what's engaged. Scroll down and you'll find an audio features section with additional processing toggles. Switching surround modes on your receiver has never been this fast. Before you start tweaking, you need to know what your receiver is actually seeing. The signal info card on the dashboard tells you exactly that. Right now, it shows PCM 0 on the input side, meaning no audio signal is currently playing. The output side shows Dolby Audio-DSUR, confirming the receiver is ready to upmix incoming content. On the video side, 4K 60Hz in and 4K 60Hz out, clean pass-through. This card is your diagnostic tool. When something sounds off, check here first. You'll instantly see whether the source is sending the format you expect. The Audyssey tab gives you full control over Audyssey MultEQ XT32, the gold standard in automatic room correction. At the top, multiple EQ mode selection lets you choose between reference, bypass LR, flat, or off. Reference is selected here, which applies the full calibration curve. Below that, dynamic EQ is toggled on. This adjusts the frequency response at lower volumes so bass and treble don't disappear when you turn it down. Dynamic volume offers 4 settings: off, light, medium, and heavy. It normalizes volume differences between quiet dialogue and loud action scenes. Further down, Audyssey LFC, low frequency containment, helps reduce bass bleed into neighboring rooms. Every one of these settings normally requires navigating 3 or 4 levels deep in the on-screen display. Here, they're all on one screen. The Channels tab is where you fine-tune individual speaker levels. Each channel gets its own row with plus and minus buttons for precise adjustment in half decibel steps. Front left and front right are both at 0 decibels. Center is at 0 decibels. Subwoofer 1 and subwoofer 2, both at 0 decibels. Surround left and surround right, 0 decibels. At the top, Save Preset and Reset All buttons let you store your configuration or start fresh. This is incredibly useful after running Audyssey calibration. You might want to bump the center channel up 2 decibels for better dialogue clarity, or add a decibel to the subwoofer for movie night. Adjustments that used to require a remote and the on-screen display now take a single tap. The Dialog and DRC tab handles 2 critical features. First, Dialog Enhancement, a processing mode that lifts vocal frequencies to make speech clearer without touching the rest of the mix. If you've ever strained to hear dialogue during an action scene, this is your fix. Second, Dynamic Range Compression. DRC controls how much the receiver compresses the difference between loud and quiet passages. Crank it up for late-night viewing when you need explosions quieter but still want to hear whispered conversations. These controls are especially valuable for Dolby and DTS content where the dynamic range can be extreme. The IMAX Enhanced tab is dedicated to IMAX Enhanced Audio Mode. IMAX Enhanced is a certification program that combines DTS audio processing with IMAX's proprietary sound tuning, designed to recreate the IMAX theater experience at home. When you're streaming IMAX Enhanced content from Disney Plus or other supported services, this tab lets you engage and configure the mode directly. Having IMAX Enhanced controls in a mobile app is something you won't find in most receiver companion apps. AVR Maestro gives you access to every audio mode your receiver supports, no exceptions. Let's step back and appreciate what you're looking at. The Cinema 30 sound engine exposes 8 dedicated tabs in AVR Maestro: Surround, Dialog, Audyssey, Dirac Live, Channels, IMAX Enhanced, and more. 8 tabs of audio control, all accessible from your phone. That covers Audyssey MultEQ XT32 room correction, Dirac live calibration, DTS Neural X upmixing, Dolby Surround processing, Auro 3D immersive audio, IMAX Enhanced theater mode, per channel level adjustment in half decibel increments, dialogue enhancement, and dynamic range compression. No other mobile app gives you this depth of control over your home theater audio. This is what replaces the on-screen display menu entirely. AVR Maestro, audiophile-grade sound control for Denon and Marantz receivers. Available now on Google Play and the App Store. Search AVR Maestro or visit miarahub.com for more. Built with love by my Yarahub Technologies.